In potentially explosive atmospheres, maintaining the right temperature is critical to protect processes, ensure flow, and avoid costly downtime. At BARTEC, we are focused on enabling safer, smarter operations in hazardous areas. I am Juan Najera, Regional Sales Team Leader for Electrical Heat Tracing at BARTEC Americas. At OTC 2026, together with Tech Sales, we will be showcasing how our heat tracing solutions help you maintain process integrity, improve reliability, and optimize energy efficiency. From freeze protection to process temperature maintenance, our systems are designed to perform in the most demanding conditions while supporting safe and consistent operations. I invite you to reserve a time to connect with us before or during OTC so we can support your heat tracing and temperature management needs. Join us at booth 2723, May 4 to 7, 2026 at Energy Park in Houston, Texas. To learn more about our heat tracing solutions, visit bartec.com and bartecshop.com. Visit bartecacademy.com to explore EXPP awareness, our explosion protection professional certificate. I look forward to connecting with you.